I love going to Pinterest for reference images, but recently it just hasn't felt the same with overly saturated AI images. So I've really found that my eye is craving something minimal, something relaxing, and I found myself drawn to statues, whether they're on Pinterest, whether I find them online. Statues are a great reference for body poses, almost like life drawing, but without the real life awkwardness. Drawing from a statue allows you to see the body in unique, exaggerated, and emotional poses. The statues are also most often monochrome, so it's completely like a blank canvas that you get to decide what colors to choose, what outfits to put on. At any time you want to draw from a statue to learn or practice, it's totally legit. Now, if you want to draw for commercial purposes, meaning the copyright of the sculpture has expired, you can freely draw, modify, and sell your drawings from the sculptures. You'll have to follow the public domain rule, though. In the US, works created before 1923 are okay to use and draw from without getting in trouble. For works made after 1923, copyright generally lasts for the artist's life plus 70 years. And these old ancient statues work great for this. Most likely you can use the pose but modify the art to a more modern setting or colors, and you can add clothes to make it your own. So I encourage you to look back really far into the old archives and learn from the masters and discover sculptures. I'm going to end with my favorite statue from the St. Louis art exhibit of two greyhounds. Feel free to pause this video and do a quick sketch.